Welcome to this tutorial on tagging the table of contents, TOC, in the Prep Tag Editor. Tagging the TOC ensures smooth navigation and accessibility for screen reader users. To tag a table of contents, first, draw a bounding box around the entire table of contents. Click the TOC icon from the toolbar. Then, select Auto Tag TOC. Now, set the following details in the Reset Page Mapping pop-up box: TOC page number, the number shown in the TOC itself; file page number, the actual page number in the document. This helps Prep accurately link TOC entries to their destination pages. Now, Prep will automatically tag and group the TOC elements with the appropriate tags in the tag tree. Click Save to apply and keep your changes. That's it. You've successfully tagged the table of contents in Prep Tag Editor. Thank you.